south in New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound west of New Haven CTPORT Jefferson, New York, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:41 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing strong winds over 35 knots from Penfield Reef to 4 nautical miles west of Mamaroneck Harbor, moving southeast at 15 knots. The thunderstorms will be near Norwalk Islands, Long Neck Point around 5:50 p.m., Mamaroneck Harbor, Stamford Harbor around 5:55 p.m., Execution Rocks around 6 p.m., Stratford Shoal around 6:05 p.m., Hempstead Harbor around 6:10 p.m., Huntington Bay, Manhasset Bay, Little Neck Bay around 6:15 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following marine location: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York.